Okay, I always had a hard time germinating spinach. And right now I have some growing out in the garden, but it's taking a long time for them to sprout up and germinate. So I'm pre-wetting the seeds, place them in Ziploc bag for about a week, and watch them, the seeds sprout out, and then plant them in the dirt, and that'll help them germinate a lot faster. So I have here the Bloomsdale long standing spinach, and I already set up some giant nopal spinach. So let me see I'm gonna get any to sprout up for me. Put some more water on them. And get them ready to plant outside soon. I'm gonna put them in some grow cups, some soil and some grow cups, and let them, the leaves on them, sprout up real good before I plant them outside. I'll transplant them outside. Okay. I think I got you wet down pretty good. Add them into this Ziploc bag and put them in a dark area. I'm going to put them in one of my cabinet drawers here in the kitchen. And check on them after a week, maybe a week or two. See if any of the spinach has sprouted ready to germinate. Then I'll move them into the grow cups. Okay. Okay, it's time to check on the germination of my spinach after a week using the paper towel method. So let me see if I have any germination. Look like it. Something going on in this bag. Ooh, look at that. The little roots are coming out. Okay. Let me open it up and see what I have. Okay, here we go. I see little roots sticking out of it already. This is the Bloomsdale long standing spinach. Let's see what we have. Ooh, look at that, look at that. Boy, they really germinated in there. Okay. See if I can do it here with one hand. You know. Look at all of that germination there. Oh boy. Just after a week, all of these roots are coming out, have germination. Oh Lord, look at that, look at that, look at that. Okay. Okay now. Let me get y'all in some soil quick, because y'all look like y'all ready to grow some spinach. Yes. Look at all of those nice roots coming out of that. Okay, now I have my soil already prepared and ready to plant me some spinach in. Let's see how we're gonna do this. Get them untangled from the paper towel. Now look at that. Okay, I think I'm just going to try and lay them all down in the soil. And then maybe just cover them over a little bit with the dirt. Should I just go on and just mash them down inside in there like that? That looks better. Let me try that way. They're all tangled all up here. Trying to get them loose off of the paper towel. Okay, that seems to work. Like the little roots have gotten kind of leggy there. After a week, they grew real long. Okay, let's see if I just spread them out. Push them down in the dirt. There it goes. Okay, come on. Get on in that dirt. Come on, come on. Connect with that soil and start growing. Growing me some big and beautiful spinach. Okay. There's a lot of y'all germinated. This paper towel method really worked. Let's see. Spread out some more spinach roots here. Trying to make a nice little roll here. Okay. Okay. Let's see, it's a bunch of the roots sticking up. Okay. Down in that soil. Come on. Come on. Grow me some spinach. Grow me some spinach. Connect with that soil and start growing. I'm just going to take these ones that just a little, with the seeds didn't germinate anything out yet. I'm just going to stick them in the down in the soil too. Maybe that'll help them to sprout on out. Okay, the rest of them are here on the paper towel. I'm just gonna turn them over here on the and just shake them out into the soil. And see if the rest of them are gonna finish germinating once they connect with the soil. Look at that. Look at all of those seeds. Let me spread them out a little better. Okay, come on. Okay, everybody. Pat the soil down some around you. Now come on and grow me some spinach. Like the Bloomsdale. The Bloomsdale one really germinated fast after a week. Okay. Let's see all of your roots sticking out there. Y'all come on in. Grow me some spinach. Okay, I don't see any germination from these seeds, the giant nopal spinach. They didn't germinate as good as the Bloomsdale seeds did after a week. But they do look like they kind of open up the little seed pod a little bit, but nothing has sprouted out from it. But I'm gonna go ahead and have my soil ready for them. I'm gonna go ahead and just place the seeds into the soil and see if that's gonna help them finish the germination process. Okay, let me get busy here. Get them off the napkin. I'm just gonna place them in here in the soil. Trying to get me some neat little rows of them. Okay. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna just finish taking them all off the paper towel, placing them down in the soil. We'll come back later and see how they all, did we get any more germination from this giant nopal brand. We have vines, we have germination over here. We're gonna come back after a week and see how both of them are doing. Try the paper towel method to help germinate your seeds.